Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Login Aid. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys on how to turn on focus in iPhone. So focus is something that you can use in iPhone in order to silence all the notification or silence your choose notification. So to do that, go ahead and open your settings. After you open your settings, in your settings page, you'll have to scroll and search for focus. You'll usually find it on the second last option in the second sector. Go ahead and tap on focus once you find it. After you find in focus, you'll be able to see all the focus options. You can see the do not disturb, personal, sleep, and work. Focus lets you customize your devices and silence calls and notification. You can turn it on and off in the control center. So you can just go ahead and tap on any of these. So I'm just going ahead and tapping on personal. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys what you can do in selected customized focus. Okay, so here we are in a personal focus. So here you can just go ahead and tap on choose apps. So in the choose apps to silence page, you can see various apps on the bottom box. If you cannot see the app you want to silence notification from, you can just go ahead and tap on add apps. And then just select the app and tap on done on the right upper corner of your screen. So after you do that, the app will also be added to your apps to silence. So you can go back now after tapping on done on the right upper corner of your screen. After that, you can even choose people who you want to silence. Go ahead and tap on choose people. You can just go ahead and tap on add people, and then you can add people and silence their notification also. After that, go back to that page. So you can even customize screens, choose a lock screen or home screen page to turn on to help limit distractions. Now go back to the focus page. Here what we can see is share across devices. You can toggle this button on if it's not already toggled on. So toggling on, focus is shared across your devices, and turning one on for this device will turn it on for all of them. So below it is focus status. So focus status is something when you give an app permission, it can share that you have notification silence when using focus. Go ahead and tap on focus status. So here you can see various options. In the top you can see share focus status. So that was what we just discussed. So in the second sector you can see that you can customize which focus profiles can share that you have notification silenced. So that's how we use focus on iPhone. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.